and welcome back to my channel, or welcome as your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani, for those of you who don't know me, and right now I am standing in front of my apartment kitchen because today we're going to be doing a little apartment kitchen upgrade slash Christmas decorate with me. We wanted to elevate our apartment kitchen a little bit, so we got some really nice brick contact paper for that back wall, and we also got some little stick-on lights from IKEA to put under the cabinets just to give it a nicer look at night. We also got some door pulls to put on the cabinets. However, I didn't really like how those looked, so we're gonna go ahead and return those and look for something different to put on the cabinets, but that's for a later date. So yeah, once we get the paper up and the lights, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the kitchen for Christmas. I got a bunch of Christmas decor for the kitchen area as well as the rest of the house. If you're interested in checking out my Christmas decor haul videos, I'll go ahead and leave those linked in the description box down below as well as in a card. But yeah, enough chit chat, let's go ahead and jump into this apartment kitchen upgrade. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick look at the kitchen before. As you can see, we have this nice little bar area here. We have 3 placemats. We're still waiting for our bar stools to come in. We literally went all over the valley looking for these specific bar stools. No one had them in stock. So we finally found someone that had them in stock, but they said they were gonna take like, I think 3 to 4 weeks to even like ship. So we're currently waiting for those. I've got a few little Christmas decorations going on in that corner over there, just like a little star and a little tree. And then, as I mentioned in my Christmas decor haul videos, we have some above cabinet space that I plan on decorating as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the contact paper and get started.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright, so now that I got everything out of the way, like I said, this is the contact paper we got. It's from Scott Living, aka the Property Brothers, and it's a nice, just like gray and white brick. So I'm gonna go ahead, I think I need to clean the walls actually, so I'm gonna clean the walls and then get this up. So I went ahead and removed all the faceplates from our electrical sockets, and I also shut off the power on this wall because I'll be cutting around these sockets and whatnot. I moved our oven out so I can get behind here, and then that one's off as well. So time to get started. So we got the back part there done. Now it's time to do the top. Alright, so my camera died, but all the wallpaper is up now, so now it's just time to put everything else back and do the Christmas decorations.
Slowly dying.
so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little apartment kitchen upgrade / Christmas decorate with me. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more Vlogmas content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye!